Hello guys, welcome to my channel Creative Corner by Varsha. Today I am going to review cheapest brush pen available. Little Artist brush pen from Adgel. So this is the packaging and inside this we will get 12 brush pen and one coloring book. Now let's see. So these are the 12 sheets and this is the coloring book. It's a cute small coloring book. Now let's see the brush pen. It has twin tip. One side you will get the brush tip, which is known as broad brush nib, and the other side we will get the nylon nib. This is a fine nib, and you can use both the tips for brush calligraphy. So first I will write using the brush tip. Now I am writing with the fine tip. You can see the difference here. If you are a beginner and you are thinking to buy this one, then I would suggest you to go with the nylon nib and practice with this one. Now let's write few other words. Here I am using the pink shade and nylon nib. Nylon nib is easy to control and it's easy to make transition from thin to thick strokes, and you can easily do flourishing using this pen. I will show you like this. If you are a beginner and you want to start calligraphy, then you can definitely go with Adgel Little Artist brush pen. These are budget friendly and also very good to start with. While writing, it gives watercolor effect. You can also use this for coloring and it's also good for kids. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.